Hey there, welcome to my room at Central Hotel Panama. Come on in. When you first enter the room, immediately on the right is the bathroom, where you'll find a coffee station, snacks, a safe, and mini fridge that is stocked but not included in the room. There's a large closet, 2 sinks, robes, and a rainfall shower. As you walk into the bedroom, there's first a desk and chair, which is where you'll find your complimentary water, before getting to your 2 double beds that face a flat screen TV. This room does not come with a balcony as the windows don't open and you face an inside corridor. And there's still so much more to see here. So come on, let me show you around. Let's start at the top at their rooftop pool, which gives you an incredible view of Panama City, the old with the new. From here, we can either go to the spa, more on that later, or the first of their 4 restaurants, A&B Sabre, where they mix Asian and Panamanian flavors. Then there's Bistro Central, their high-end restaurant, Central Palm Garden, which is where you'll come to indulge in breakfast each morning, which is included in your stay. And finally, there's La Quinta Plaza Bar, which is in Independence Square. After a day of sightseeing around the city, it's time to relax at the spa, so come this way. Senti's 7 Spa has a variety of services and packages to choose from. There's a private locker room and shower, dry sauna. I went for their therapeutic massage, which left me relaxed and rejuvenated. Central Hotel Panama is located at the most important square in Casco Viejo, which puts you right in the center of all the action when you visit Panama City. As Panama's first hotel, they perfectly blend old world with new to make sure you have the best day in Panama City. I hope you enjoyed checking out Central Hotel Panama with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.